welcome back to my channel. In case if you're seeing my face first time, my name is Shania and I'll make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. And today's video is all about hair and how to maintain beautiful long hair without cutting and trimming, and how I achieve this beautiful long hair without facing any problems and without cutting my hair. So last year during the lockdown, I tried to cut my own hair many times because at that time we can't go outside and get a hair treatment. But now I don't even have to do that because I finally found a product that helps me to grow and maintain my long hair. Now my long hair dreams are finally coming true because of the product that I have been using since 2 months. Now that has helped me to achieve and maintain long hair. So this is the 2 weeks difference, and you can see there is a no richer hair, and now you can see this is the 2 months difference, and my hair is so long now and looks so thick. So the product I'm talking about is the Dream Lens No Haircut Cream by L'Oreal Paris. This is the first leave-in conditioner that regenerates lens and seals split ends. So now let's talk about the benefits of the No Haircut Cream. So No Haircut Cream helps you to get rid of dry ends and split ends, and also help you to grow your hair faster and longer. And this is the first leave-in conditioner that does more than just shine and gloss your hair. And if you have long hair but find it difficult to manage, then you don't have to worry about that because this range helps in detangling your hair in just one wash and also helps you to maintain healthy long hair. So now I'm gonna wash my hair with the restoring shampoo and the detangling conditioner, and also the No Haircut Cream works best when you use with the range. So firstly I'm washing my hair with the restoring shampoo, and after that I'm using the detangling conditioner. And after the detangling conditioner, wash your hair with the normal water. And then don't dry your hair, just leave it wet and take a good amount of No Haircut Cream and apply it on your mid-length to the ends just like this. And also No Haircut Cream has the 3 powerful ingredients. So first is the vegetal keratin. Vegetal keratin protects your hair from the harsh treatments and seals damaged tips. So second is the castor oil. Castor oil nourishes the hair to help it grow longer. So third is the essential vitamins. Essential vitamins for strength and restoring your hair internally from any breakages. So these 3 ingredients are the ultimate savior for restoring your length and sealing split ends. And the best thing is the No Haircut Cream is sulfate and paraben free, and it has all the ingredients that your hair needs to stay healthy and damage free. And also it can be used as a heat protectant up to 180 degrees Celsius. So now I don't have to worry about any breakages, dry ends and split ends. And I'm very happy that I don't have to cut my hair because of these problems, and also I found the hassle-free solution. So this product is the best solution to grow your hair faster and getting immediate results for sealing split ends. Also in India right now you can't go outside to get treatments and haircuts, so this product is the easiest way to grow your hair longer. And if you want to check out this product, then I leave the links in description box below, so check out there. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.